I want you to take a look at the walls around you. We spend 90% of our lives inside staring at our walls, walking towards our walls, yet we treat our walls like an afterthought. Hello, my name is Yolanda Brooks, your wallpaper consultant and interior decorator. Right now in 2026, something has changed. We're in the middle of a global wall covering revolution. And why? Because in a world that feels increasingly digital and flat, we're starving for texture. We're craving a human touch. You've probably seen the beautiful images on your feed. You've seen the pretty penny paper, and maybe you've even started shopping. But today, we're going to talk about the truth that no one tells you until you're knee-deep in paste. We're talking about budget bliss and the no surprises reality of installation. Because if you love your home, you have to respect the science of what goes on your walls. Let's start with budget position 1. The savvy spender. This is for those of you who love a good deal and aren't afraid of a little DIY. This is about adding massive personality without a massive investment. Your best friend here is peel and stick wallpaper. It is incredibly user-friendly and very affordable. We're looking for those discount sections, online sales, and the big home improvement stores. You can find stunning geometric patterns or subtle botanical prints that completely transform a room. Why we love it? This is the ultimate budget bliss. It's fantastic for renters because it's temporary, and it's perfect for those of you who like to update your style often. You can tackle a bathroom wall or a small accent wall in a single afternoon. Think small, accent walls in minimalist living rooms, rental bedrooms, or even the inside of a closet for a hidden pop of joy. We're talking a very small investment here, often just the cost of a few rolls and a smoothing tool. It's the perfect entry point into the world of wallpaper. All right. Stepping up your game to budget position 2, the smart upgrade. This is for homeowners and renters looking for enhanced durability and a wider range of design. Your sweet spot here is non-woven wallpaper and mid-range vinyl. This unlocks sophisticated patterns, beautiful textures like linen looks or subtle geometrics, and even some elegant metallics. Non-woven is incredibly user-friendly, paste to wall, making future changes easy. Vinyls are super durable and cleanable, perfect for busy family areas. This range offers exceptional value, balancing that high-end look without everyday practicality. For kids, you can find durable, washable vinyls with playful designs, patterns that grow with them, or more robust novelty prints that can handle a light, rough, and tumble. DIY is very achievable here, especially with non-woven. If you hire a pro, budget for your labor separately. Costs can increase depending on how tricky the space is and other factors. And finally, for those ready to make a bold statement and invest in unparalleled luxury, we have budget position 3, the intentional investment. This is where design dreams know no bounds. This level introduces custom murals, natural fibers like authentic grass cloth, silk, and specialty materials like metallic foils or acoustic wall coverings that actually quiet your home. This is about unique expression and sensory luxury. Custom murals tell your story. Natural fibers add unmatched warmth and authenticity. These are investment pieces that significantly elevate property value and provide a truly one-of-a-kind space. For your kids, custom murals that reflects your unique passions, a specific sport for a fantastical world. At this level, professional installation is almost always recommended to preserve these high-value materials. You want that application to be flawless. Now let's get real. You spent the money on the beautiful paper, you're excited. And then you get the installation quote and you gasp. Why is $800 to put up $500 worth of paper. Because, my friend, installation is engineering. If you hire a handyman or try a quick DIY on a complex paper, it might look okay for 2 months, but a pro is looking at the next 10 years. Walls aren't level. They have pinholes and blemishes. A pro cleans, repairs, and primes. Why? Because primer seals the wall so mold doesn't grow in high humidity. It ensures that in 10 years, the paper comes off without destroying the drywall. Not all glue is created equally. A pro knows the difference between the paste the wall and the paste the paper. If you get that wrong, you've lost your investment. Is it a drop match? A straight match? Do you know where the kill spot is? That's where the pattern meets back up. Pros have a bag of tricks developed over years of mistakes, so you don't have to make them yourself. So you see, no matter your financial level, there is a wall covering solution for you. This isn't about one size fits all. It's about making smart choices that align with your budget and your aspirations. The truth is, wallpaper matters. Wall covering is functional art, it's acoustic, it's sustainable, it allows every homeowner and renter to create a space that feels personal and beautiful without breaking the bank. Don't be shocked by the cost of professional. Think of it as an insurance for your joy. A proper installation means longevity and higher home value. So, before you buy that roll, budget for the hands that will put it up. Don't just buy the dream, invest in the foundation. You deserve a home that stays beautiful. And to be sure, watch my video on how to spot red flags when hiring a wallpaper installer. And I'll see you in the next video.